It is called the mother flower, also known as the forget-me-not, a flower that symbolizes maternal love. What I'm talking about is this large daylily in front of me. It's a perennial herbaceous plant with a thick root. It has a long flowering period, with large blooms, and a variety of colors. When the large daylily isn't flowering, its leaves look very much like those of orchids, similar to the yellow flowers we eat. But when it's in bloom, it grows a flower stalk. Each stalk has many flower buds, and although each flower blooms for only about 1 day, the number of buds is so many. They bloom one after another. It sends out side shoots from the roots, which grow more and more, and the number of flowers increases over time. The large daylily is highly adaptable, tolerating both cold and heat. It's not only drought tolerant but also waterlogging tolerant, and it thrives in both sunny and shady conditions. If you have a patch of land where nothing grows, well, you can try planting a large daylily, requiring only occasional watering and some compound fertilizer now and then during the blooming period. Increase phosphorus and potassium fertilizer, and it will bloom even more.